Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the voiceover on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. If you have recorded some video or you want to give the voiceover or on anything on the TikTok, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on the plus icon. Okay, now you have to upload any video or you can simply shoot any video. Now it's okay. Now you have to click on this tick button and you will see a voiceover option here. Tap on it. Now you have to press this button to give a voiceover. Press this button and speak anything you want to give in the voiceover. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the save. So this is the procedure to do the voiceover on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.